Hello, we are your full-service animal and pest control specialists serving all of New Jersey. We are fully licensed and insured. We have a lot of repeat customers because our goal is to make all our customers happy. Whether you're having a problem with mice, squirrels, flying squirrels, raccoons, bats, groundhogs, or even bedbugs, roaches, bees, wasps, hornet's nest removal. In every animal and insect category, we offer you the most advanced treatments that work like a charm. Our qualified technicians perform each treatment quickly and effectively. We give you a written guarantee with every treatment. We also have a 24-hour emergency service in place for you. Our motto here at New Jersey Animal and Pest Control Specialists is "One call solves it all." When calling us, please be sure to mention this video for your $50 off any animal or insect treatment. Please feel free to call us for your free estimate.